In this video, we're going to review the Ailun AirTag holder. This is a third party. Apple did not make this, but this is specifically made for AirTags. So let's unbox it. We're going to check out the features. We're going to put it on an actual AirTag so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is specifically designed for AirTags. Like I said, it's super easy way to track down your stuff. And yes, it definitely helps. If you guys don't know about AirTags, AirTags are a must, especially if you're always losing your keys. Okay, so some of the things that it recommends that you could put this on is your pets, so you could kind of hook it onto their collar. You could put it onto your keys. That's what we're using them for. Luggage, that's a good one, so you're not using your luggage. And then backpacks, that's another one. If you're going to the gym, you know, you have your backpack, or you're at school, you do not want to lose your backpack. And it's very cool, this technology, to help you find it. Okay, so let's go ahead, unbox this. Let's see what we got here. So this is everything that came inside right here. It is a 2-pack. That's why we bought it. We're gonna buy another one of these. One's for myself, one's for the wife. So we did buy a double pack right here. And then this is a quick instructions on how to get it started, okay? So let's go ahead and take it out. I do like how they're individually wrapped here, okay? Okay, so we have the pieces here. We're just gonna go ahead and put like this. And that's how easy it's snapped in. You guys heard that, seen it, that easy. Okay, so now it does have the loop, and all you have to do is push the loop down just like so. It's pretty easy. You could do it one-handed. Usually you have to do it 2 hands, but you got one-handed right here, so I do like that fact too. And you guys, it swings all the way around. It could rotate. So like I said, this could go on your pet's collar. It could go on your keys. Let's see how it looks on the keys. Okay, so same thing. We're just gonna hook it in like this. And then this is how it looks right here. You guys, it's not bulky at all. It's pretty much a little bit bigger than the actual AirTag itself. So you guys, this could easily go in your pocket. It's not a big deal. It's nice and sleek, and it had good reviews. That's why I went with this particular holder right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and do not lose your guys' keys.